Welcome back to the channel. My name is Malcolm, one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I'll be teaching you how you can check for your clients or yourselves backlinks and domain authority with Ahrefs free guide. Awesome. So let's jump straight to it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to hop over to ahrefs.com. As you see, I have it already in the URL in the search bar there. And if you click on it, this is the page that you have done. I have made we have made a video similar to this, but it was just speaking on what each element does, but this is an actual live presentation on how you can do so. Awesome. So once you arrive here, you want to click on free SEO tools. Awesome. And at this little bar here, you want to click on backlink checker. So backlink checker among all the other tools that you have, and then here you can just type in the URL that you want to search in. For this example, I'll just be using ProLemon, pardon me, ProLemon, yeah, .com, and you can click on start. Usually it checks if you're human, but I guess today they think I'm human, so you just want to click on check backlinks. There we are. They're checking now if that I'm a human. Awesome. And there we go. So this is the domain rating, domain authority of a website, backlinks, and linking website. So that's how you can check, especially if you want to do some competitive analysis. You can see where your competitors are getting their backlinks, and you can start doing so yourself. Awesome. So for more videos like this, do subscribe. We do release videos like this on a daily. So till the next video. Bye.